Okay, update on the Roborock Curv 2 flow. Let's go empty the dirty water tank. Wow. So this is probably the 7th or 8th time I've emptied this. That's just incredible how clean my floors are getting from this robot. I am super impressed with it so far. It's got a couple little quirks, which I'll talk about. So it's been cleaning my home. I only have a couple no-go zones. It's been doing a really good job. I did have to change one setting. It was kind of scuffing into things quite a bit, but there's this one setting to change. That's the reactive obstacle avoidance. I turned that to less. Default was high coverage, which means it was kind of scraping into stuff, but I went to less collision. Now let's go to cleaning history. I've already got 47 cleans on it. Here's the last full. Now the dirt detection sensor is a camera, not in the base station. So if you get any dirt detection events, it's from the sensor on the front, not there is no dirt detection sensor in the dirty water. See, there was one there. The camera sensed, but what I am finding is the camera is sensing this discolored wood as a dirt spot. So if I click on that, I was able to tell it to ignore that earlier. Yep, overall the brush roller seems really still fluffy. This is doing good, no hair clogs. Now I'm going to start doing this more often. I'm going to start, the filter dustbin. It's picked up a little bit of water, looks like. Nothing too bad, but I am going to start cleaning. I bought an extra filter. As we can see, this filter it's got a little bit of water on it maybe. Okay, so there's the new filter. Dustbin's in pretty good shape. I haven't had any blockages or anything.
Dustbin installed.
So I'm going to go wash this and let it dry. So I'm going to start cleaning, or I do recommend getting an extra one. I'll put a link to it in the show description, or you can find it on my website, justadadapproved.com. You can also find a link to this robot on my website. But this is something you should do every 2 weeks. That really will lower your suction, how full that gets. So now I've got increased suction and my robot's in really good shape. Let's take a look here. Yep. In the process of testing the M14, it's not going it just has a really low battery life. The P10's out, the Gen 2's out cleaning right now. It's doing amazing, and I have the original P10. Okay, here it is mopping our kitchen floor. Now, it can't go underneath where the dishwasher, it's a little lower. This is a little on the tall side. So we can lift the mop roller and put a cover over it. I should have moved that first. And the mop roller is lifted up with a cover protecting it, protecting your carpet. Now this is a really thick rug that a lot of robots struggle on, but this one does pretty good on it. Huh, that's a little unusual. Normally they don't try to go in their dock. So far, I'm not seeing any major hiccups from this, other than it's a little on the heavy side, it's a little on the tall side, but it's doing a great job of cleaning. It's cleaning the best out of all of these so far. And again, you can find it on my website, justadadapproved.com, Roborock Curv 2 Flow. I hope this update video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.